Hi children, in this video chapter 6 exercise 4 we are going to learn about comparing and ordering the decimal numbers. That is how to compare the decimal numbers and how to arrange in the ascending order and descending order that we are going to learn in this video. So first we will see how to compare two decimal numbers. So this decimal numbers can be compared in the same way as we used to compare the whole numbers, no? In the same manner only we are going to compare. So the first step, compare the whole number part. See, here I have given two numbers, two decimal numbers. So first, always when you are comparing numbers of any decimal number, compare the whole number. Which is the whole number? The number which is there before the decimal place. Here it is 12, here it is 9. So which is greater? 12, 9. If you compare, 12 is greater. So obviously directly you can confirm that this 12.567 is greater than this 9.879. So next, what happens when the whole numbers are similar? The second step, compare the 10th place of digit. See here, when you have the whole numbers are same, you can start comparing the after the decimal point, the first place of 10th place value. When the whole numbers are similar, see if you see the whole numbers are similar, 8 and 8. So that place you can compare after the decimal place. The first place value after decimal is 10th place value. So that place you have to compare. So 9, 8. So 9 is greater than this 8. So I am concluding that 8.950 is greater than this 8.895. So what happens when even the whole number and the 10th place value are similar? So that time you have to compare the 100th place of digit. See here, whole number, here also whole number 5. So all numbers are similar. So next, after decimal we have to compare. After decimal, first place is 10th. Compare the 10th place. Even the 10th place is similar, 7, 7. So the first whole number and the 10th place are similar. So then you have to compare the 100th place value. 6, 2. So 6 is greater. Okay. So likewise, when even this 100th place value is similar, that time you have to compare the 1000th place value. See if you see whole number, here also whole number 19. So after decimal, 10th place value 1, here also 1. 100th place value 9, here also 9. So all these whole number and first two places after decimal are similar. So that time you have to compare the 1000th place value. So in 1000th place value 4, 0. So obviously 4 is greater. So if in case, here if you see 23.4, here 23.49. See here whole number similar. So after decimal, here also 10th place value 4, here also 10th place value 4. After that, in this decimal number, we don't have 100th place value, but we have 100th place value here. Even if we don't have this 100th place value, we can consider it as equal. Okay. So, but here, we have to change this number after decimal. Here it is 2 places are there, no? So, here also we have to make it after decimal 2 places. So 23.40. That is, we have to convert this decimal number into like decimal number. Okay. So here I have added one 0. Now if you compare after decimal 2 places, after decimal 2 places. So now 23.4 are similar. Now compare the 100th place value. 0, 9. So which is greater? 9 is greater. So 23.49 is greater. So we'll see now how to arrange the ascending order and descending order in the decimal numbers. So for that I have given some 4 set of decimal numbers: 4.56, 5.56, 3.056, 5.065. First you have to check whether all the numbers which is given to you are like decimal numbers. For that, after decimal you have to check. After decimal 2 numbers, after decimal 2 numbers, after decimal 3 numbers, after decimal 3 numbers. So these 2 numbers are after decimal 3 places. These 2 numbers are after decimal only 2 places are there. So it is unlike decimal number. So first we have to convert to like decimal number. Okay, so for that we have to add zeros at the end of the decimal numbers. So 4.56, how many zero I have to add? The maximum place after decimal is 3. 10th, 100th and 1000th. So already 10th and 100th is there. So for 1000th I am adding 1 0. Next 5.56, here also 1 0. So next, as usual, I am writing whatever is there in the question. So now if you check, after decimal all the decimal numbers has 3 places. Can you see? So now this has become like decimal number. So now you can compare which is smaller and which is greater. So since it is an ascending order, we have to go from small to big. So which is small? First smallest number. When you compare, you have to start comparing with the whole numbers. So whole number is 4, 5, 3, 5. So which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So this is your smallest decimal number first. 3.056. So this symbol is a smaller symbol. So next, after this, compare rest to 3. 4, 5, 5. So 4 is the next smallest number. So 4.560. Lesser than symbol. Now this is over. Next 5.560, 5.065. So here and here the whole numbers are similar. So next I have to compare the 10th place value. So in 10th place value 5, here it is 0. So when you compare, 0 is the smallest number. So third smallest is 5.065 followed by the next last number 5.560. Okay, the same way we are going to do the descending order also. So first check 3 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit, 3 digit. Different place of decimal places. So it is unlike decimal numbers. So convert them into like decimal by adding the zeros. So 7.007, 7.070, 1 0 I am adding, 7.700, here 2 zeros I am adding, 7.707 as it is. So now if you see 3 places after decimal, 3 places, 3 places after decimal, 3 places. Now it is like decimal. Now you can start comparing descending order. Descending order means big to small. So which is bigger here? First start comparing with the whole number. 7, 7, 7, 7. Since all the whole numbers are equal, we are going to start comparing with the 10th place value. 0, 0, 7, 7. So 2 zeros are there and 2 sevens are there in the 10th place. So 0 is smaller. We have to get the greatest number. So 7 and 7, these are the greater than 7. Greater than 0. So these two numbers we have to compare in the 100th place. 0, 0. In 100th place also similar. Next 1000th place 0, 7. So this 0 and 7, if you compare, 7 is greater. So this 7.707 is greater, first greatest number. Next, compare these three numbers. Whole numbers are similar. 10th place value 007. So this 7 is greater when you compare all the three. So this is the second greatest number, 7.700, greater than symbol. Next, these two numbers 770007. 10th place value also similar. So 100th place value 07. So 7 is greater when you compare with 0. So third highest is 7.070, greater than the last number followed 7.007. So this is how you can compare the two decimal numbers, and you can even follow the same rules to make the given decimal numbers in ascending order and descending order. Thank you, children.